Hi, if you want to enable fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then all you have to do is to find and open your settings. And from here, choose this battery tab. After that, you need to scroll a bit down and select charging settings. And after that, you should see those two options, fast charging and fast wireless charging. So to enable and start using them, you need to tap on the switchers like that, so they will light up blue like in my case. Also, you can tap on fast wireless charging tab itself and check this like short tutorial how to properly place your phone on a wireless charger. So make sure the center part of the back is aligned with the center of the charger, and with some chargers, fast wireless charging produces fan noise or a bright light. So just try this out and enjoy charging your Samsung Galaxy S25 wirelessly. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.